Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse on Windows 11 machine. So first of all I'll open the Google search bar and I'll type download Eclipse, and then I will go to this website eclipse.org/downloads, and then afterwards I will go and I will click this. I will select download 64-bit since I'm using the 64-bit architecture. So click download, and then it is going to start the download process. It will take few seconds. Look, the download process has been started. So I already have this file in my system. So I'm going to cancel the download process from here, and now I'm going to open the exe file which I have already downloaded. So just wait and it will open the application. So now I'm going to select Eclipse IDE for Java developer, and then I'm going to click install. So the installation folder is this one. So I'm going to click install, and this is going to install this in my system. It will take some time to complete, so you have to be patient. So now I'm going to click launch. So select a directory as a workspace. So I'm not going to change anything. I will click launch. So I will click exclude, proceed. And then I'm going to create a new project. So in order to create a new project, I will go in the file section and I will create a new project, and I will create a Java project. Okay. Just open this. I will create a Java project. Click next. And after that, I will give a name, my Java program. uh, e- Environment, I'm going to set this as this one, 21. Okay, after that I will working set, add project to working set. No, I'm not going to do anything. I will click next, and let me just open this. Okay, fine, and I will click finish. So now I'm going to create a new class. So for that, I'll go over here and I will go new, and I will create a new class. So the name of my class is going to be my class, and this is the name of my package. And I'm going to check this option as well, and I will click finish. After that, okay, we are done. Now is the time to print something. So I will print please subscribe. So I'll use the syntax system dot out dot print, and I'll write please subscribe. Please subscribe. And after that, I will save this program and I will run. So run my class. Look, I've got the result. Please subscribe. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.